Very well. Open the mouth. Breathe in. Relax.
Oh, hi!
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakevich.
Hi, guys.
Hello, everybody. What do you problem? How do you feel?
I feel pain in my neck.
Okay?
Okay?
Yes!
Not okay.
Today we will do massage and chiropractic adjustment your neck.
Okay, I like this.
Very well. Lay down. Let's go. Little bit. Does it hurt?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Very well. How do you feel?
Very ouch.
Ouch, yes. Be patient, be patient.
Uh-huh.
We will be nice girl.
Uh-huh, thank you.
Relax. Relax, relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay? Relax. Oh, a little bit. Relax.
Oh, hi!
Relax. 1, 2, 3. Push. Very, very, very strong woman. Lay on your back. Relax. Oh, very nice. Little bit.
I.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Boss.
Relax. Are you okay?
Ага.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Open the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Relax. Relax, relax. Relax. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out.
Ай!
Relax. Relax. Are you scared?
Yes.
Very good.
Why very good?
Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Okay. Hand up. Are you okay?
Yes.
Relax. Let's go. 1, 2. Does it hurt? Yes. Relax. Relax. Sorry. Sleep.
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakiewicz.